What we have here, another project. Here we have Evan's Evo 8. We're going to be doing some radiator support repair. Aligning the front end. Most of it is aftermarket. Of course, adding these pieces, which I already did. We aligned them the best we could at his shop. I just went ahead and panel bonded them in to make sure that they don't move whatsoever for the body work. I'm gonna go ahead and remove the door handles and mirror, which I've done on this side, to start in the body work on it. Remove everything on the rear, and here we have the side skirts with the pieces already panel bonded on. So those will be body work before install, and let's get to it. Now I got the handles off in the mirror, so we can start doing some body work on it. But let's start with the rear. Got a little ouchie there, but you know, it is what it is. The nice thing about working on cars is no pain, no gain. So I removed these bolts from the spoiler. It looks like they snapped off. So they're heavily rusted. So we have to add some new hardware to the actual spoiler itself. But let's try to take the rest of it off. Alright, so this one's not coming off whatsoever. It just keeps spinning. I guess the hardware in the actual spoiler is screwed. Rusted out. So I have to cut it off. Alright, got the spoiler off. Let's see if we can save this carbon chunk. It's really faded. The epoxy looks like it has a lot of like sun damage, weathering. It's a little cleaner under here, well, due to the spoiler covering it. But we'll see if we can save this carbon fiber, make it look quite better. Alright, we got the rear bumper and the tail lights removed. I guess everything on the rear. Might have to take the trunk off to try to save this. This is the rear bumper. Evan's gonna be using a different one, so we'll just put this on the side. And I guess we'll go ahead and start body working it next. Alright, got this quarter panel trimmed down from the panel bond that was added on there. So it's on there, it's not gonna come off. Next I gotta do the body filler, shape it as best I can. Try to smooth this out, like flatten it out more with some body filler, because you know, as I said, fiberglass always stays wavy. So other than that, the body's pretty clean. Probably get those dents knocked out too. So. Alright, got it pretty much shaped up. I just have to do some minor adjustments here and there. Got most of the bodywork done. I just had a few dings. I did the same on this side, the rear bumper's on. So the next thing I gotta do is now just work from the rear bumper back and get that adjusted. The actual spoiler, it looks like it's been cleared before. This is clear that they added on it. I guess it just came off. But it's pretty bad. I mean, the weathering on it. All this old yellowish stuff. Let's see if we can try to save it before we even relay carbon. Started down here too, the edge. So let's see what we can do. I can't really remove anything because, as you can see, it's riveted on. So I'm not gonna try to damage it by removing anything. But let me see if I can save this carbon on top. It looks pretty freaking bad. Look. Nasty. Let's see if we can remove this top stuff off and maybe save the actual carbon, because it has a different weave than what I have. So we could try to keep it factory.